Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start our second lesson, which is beware of bad habits. So after the completion of our lesson, you will be able to answer the meaning of habits, types of habit, and the effects of consuming alcohol. Starting from the very basic habit. What do you mean by habit? Habit means any action that we do again and again is called a habit. So in our daily life, we do so many activities, and if we repeatedly do again and again, that becomes a habit. Habits are of two types: good habit and bad habit. And if you look upon the good habit means a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical or mental health, often linked to high level of discipline and self-control. Good habit means a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical lana kirangi kang la gore ngan ki good habit la lo me la cholam yapu leido ngan ki chopa yapu la tu kaps la kirang la digi chopa yapu chigyo digi kirang la kang kepsang beneficial lana kepsang da advantage la kirang la kepsang di kang chaki lana kirang ki supu ki thori physically supo ta ani dichipo mewa ani mental lana nganji ki lepa ki samlo tangda nganji ki WHO ki khangla lana nganji ki normal mental health lana midinju ki susuki nima la stress yungira stress lana kiranchi la the exam ki pressure stress lana the pressure do lana di ro the kirangi exam ki pressure do tang ani kirangi chamcham kirang la nangi ya khan la gore semte tang din zuli do ta din zu stress din zu do kirang ki day to day life na le kirang ki khan la gore kirang ki beer la na re ro an kirang ki normal stress din zu kirang ki kom tum na do ani kirang ina yang ani minyam dula dewa ya po shat ki ani kirang ki lega din zu yang society chi so na lo lega din zu tas chitum na do ani ta dinzo lani mental health di normal way lagi rwa ta theo mina ani manji ya mental illness lagi rwa dinzo re ta good habit di khande dos re lana kirang ki supological mewa physical lana ta supological mewa kirang ki samlo tangdang la kirang la kepsang yu gyo rwa beneficial lana kepsang che ani digi khande dos mi la di chakit lana kirang ina ya pet khurang tiksu yu gyo discipline dai do tiksu tambu che ani susu ki khan la control chi the yo self control la na kirang ki di lega china duwa re di lega china ya ga re ran kirang ki app khana differentiate chi the yo tan kirang ki le pa nang lo la control che yo ta thama thena ya go mari ta la ni susu ki self control che to ta dila like it raw good habit di. For example, waking up early in the morning, being neat and clean, eating healthy food, say please and thank you, etc. Dinzo ke simple chaki dwa shopping aw la do dang ani changma the dang ani lopta le yondu changma yonga tan lopta le chipo mewa nam khin du khirang ki nang la thi du yang changma the do dang ani supu yang chue dang ani eating healthy food to khala din chu ina yang junk food mangbo me ba che cha chu ge nga ju chau chau do dang ani nyemba din chu mangbo me wa che nang la sai ki healthy foods din do yang na she dang ani konga riks tang chi riks tang shingdo riks tang da dinzu sa gore esra ani say please and thank you ani kiran ti lega do chi khwe ani manji ki kuchi lash to please la do ta ani lega do chi kiran ki appreciate do chi mi ki kiran rokpa do chi na ani kiran ki thank you la do ta dinzu la di ke shombo chakir good habit chakir esra. So bad habit lana any action that is harmful and lacks self control, for example nail biting, smoking, drinking alcohol, etc. So any action that is harmful to you, kirang lan no kave che and kirang ki morning an so countil na self control you got to do leg lana kirang la self control mekyo kirang ki control chim ha tu pyo do. For example, a simple example lana kirang ki nail biting kirang ki simu do so kya do tang ani kirang thama the tang ani drinking alcohol stinju kya risk stinju changma ani bad habit chakires ra. So following are the good habits which you must follow in your day-to-day life. First thing is exercising daily. Exercising daily can help you to stretch your muscles. It helps to increase your energy level, and it also helps you to feel much happier, and it also helps in the process of a weight loss. So the next good habit that you must follow in your daily life is trimming your nails and make it short, because there are so many germs and bacteria trapped in your nails which can get into your mouth and make you ill. The third good habit which you must follow in your daily life is taking bath regularly. When you take bath regularly, it will take out all the germs and the bad odor of your body, and it also helps you to keep you fresh all day long. So here are the bad habits which you must avoid. The first thing is the bad habit which you must avoid is nails biting. So this is very common in a children. Nail biting is common in the children's, and it is a bad habit because it damages the skin around the nails, and it increases the risk of infection, and there is a high chance of spreading germs from your finger to your mouth. The next bad habit which you must avoid is quarreling. Quarreling is a bad habit, and we must quit, or we must avoid quarreling with your siblings, with your family, and with your friend, because it is a bad habit. Another bad habit that you must avoid is drinking alcohol. Drinking alcohol is a bad habit, and if anyone or if any of your family members or elders drinks alcohol, or they may drink alcohol in the name of the festivals during the Losar or Tungar, or let's say a Dashain or a Tihar, it is a bad habit because it causes a various harmful diseases to the person consuming it, and it not only affect the health of the consumer, but it also causes a various effect for the small children, because they are automatically learning from their elders. And since the teens or the kids, small children's or the kids or the small children's and the teenage, you know the teenage, right? So they have a less problem solving skills, and they have a less decisions making experience. So when they have a lack in the decision making and problem solving skills, they tends to get confused, and in the long run, it has a several or a various impact upon, it will have a severe or a impact upon their mental health. So dingai khang la chi lana kirang ki ko drinking alcohol the simple ti thone lana do thama ara then di ara tunga di yapo mere ro. So it di tana bad habit chik chakyu re ani nganju ki chizo nanglo la da di keshin bu chat ka sin ni pegin la chi ra an chizo nanglo la ni nganju ki our elders are taking or drinking alcohol in the name of the festivals, right? Ngajuki tuje khak ki chini ani arak tungai do tang ani chang arak riks tu tungki restaurant tuje che ani tuje indu kapsla ta di susuki lula chikpo dwa naza ta cha in the ira susu lula naza lira ta arak di continually tungna dwa ani di chikpo meva family che ani ngem dula ni small children's pugu chung din zu tang ani teenage kirang chu nang shingi pugu din zu la kirang chu khande do shue la na kirang di keja din zu ya pushi khala ora da kirang chu na samlu di thanda catch mo ini tang thuki ma de ran kirang la problems solving skills in zo me de ra like problems din zo na ngi gi condition ni setup chi khwa da tang ani decisions making experience in zo me tu kapsla do ta mi khemba chatu kapsla ani arak tuna indi reta la ne ani susuki thak chue ta experience in zo khangje me tu ani kirang so ki clueless lai do ta ngi gi clue khangje me tu ta khanje chigu la chu an da di ki chung ni ran kirang ki mental health la bet koron no kep ki rest ra ni kirang lo khemba chatu kapsla ni cham chige din zo ki kirang na ja din yur ra ta anju Tibetan society nang lo la ta indi ki mixing a indi nganju ki ta research ta khang la gore nganju ki mixing ngoma yi khajang la re ro nganju ki mental health nang lo la nganju ki indi issue chimbu sui ma re ro. So adi ki ko la nga shu ha khwi me research yang chung ma song ro na yang nganju ki khang la gore internet khaji nang lo la ta na ta kirang ki na sa din zo mang chesta thanda chige lung ba do lo ina ko zo advanced youtube apps la ni chung ni khorang psychological impact cha sho apu din zo la ni diki mental health la pet khorang kyung kya sho a chung ni phama thuba shuryo do ta ni phama ki khang la gore changla tungyo na ni diwo chagyo din zo ki pu khemba cha tu la pet khorang mental la pet khorang no khep kyon je naza din zo yang yure ta something optd do shi some naza di do naza di ani shula in the lead do wata in the extreme chana cases so in the year so the kishimbo chato ngai ki pugela shi. So the next bad habit that you must avoid is a kare smoking cigarette. So if there is anyone in or around your house smoking cigarette, then you must tell them that they shouldn't smoke cigarette because it may cause various life-threatening diseases. Life-threatening disease means those diseases which may take your life. So let's hear about a story. So let's hear a story about effects of consuming alcohol. I have brought one small short story, and I hope that you are going to enjoy the story. This is a story about Chabilal Mahato. He lived happily with his wife and 2 children, and he worked in an industry. He was an honest and hardworking person. He had a happy family, and so one day or one evening his friend took him to the restaurant, and they started to drink alcohol. This made Chabilal curious about alcohol, and he also tasted it. So curious means eager to know. Eager to know lana khande do shi na lai chwa or in the dos like eager to know lana curious lana lo. So one evening his friend took him to the restaurant and they started to drink alcohol. So Chabilal, he also got very curious, like, um, what is alcohol and why my friends are consuming alcohol. I have never tasted before, and what does it taste like. So I think I have no problem in taking alcohol. I think I should just taste it for a once. He thought like that, and after that he tested it. So he gradually became enjoy to it and become habituated it. Gradually means slowly. He slowly began to enjoy the alcohol and become habituated. Habituated means do something as a habit to alcohol. So he started drinking alcohol every day, and he come home late and quarrels means fight with his wife and didn't take care of his children. He spent all his money in drinking alcohol, and that now he's suffering from a cancer, which means that he is diagnosed with a lungs cancer. You can see in the photo that how the healthy lungs and the lung cancer looks like. After spending all his money in drinking alcohol, he's suffering from a cancer, and now he have no money to treat for the cancer. Nowadays he stays in bed coughing, suffering from a cancer. If he is he is not able to work, and he is the only person to earn in the family. So there later they have no food to eat, and his two children also dropped out from the school because he couldn't pay their fees. Now they have a very difficult and a hard life. Here you can see a picture of before alcoholism and after alcoholism. So before alcoholism, they are happy, they are just enjoying their regular dinner party, and he's taking care of his children, and his children are studying in the school. And when you see the right picture, which is after alcoholism, alcoholism means the habit of consuming alcohol, that the gentleman is an agent lana manzuki business yama khale the song captain the doa da kirangi medium stage lana digri agent lana medium lana kirang khangba do ji song ko yona do business stage chigo yona susu directly chimatum na kirangi chapla michik shakire ro da nimidi su ne ani khangla gore ani khangba zonga do che shure da indish ki thone the midi agent shakire ro. So he's an agent and he's taking care of house, as the government has taken house of a Chabilal, as he couldn't pay for his treatment and loans. As a result, he sold home. The kirangi de latana dua before alcoholism latana kirangi Chabilal ki family, they are happy and they are having their regular meals to kala do sado tang ani plate kala gore lupta kare pugu din zo ina yang ani lupta la do gyot nang sing tang ani changma happy do. And after alcoholism la nan da de ki krangi ta kala gore ta plane zo gyang ne ani krangi treatments chidil tang ju ki ya ma din de chidu krangi ta khangba din zo yang ani chonggo din to res ro last la ani agent ki shung ki khangba din le ani krangi khangba di chonggo to res ro. So dinde cases ninju changma nganju ki uncertain day la mere certain days ra fix chaki ra alcoholism digi nganju ki addict lai dwa ta nganju ki addictions ti changna yakpo mere ra nganju ki continue alcohol di tung ani khirang la chipu mewa ra susul la lula ta na zata li ra ani khirang la chipu mewa khirang ki family la yang no kya tang ani khang la gore ani khirang as a result khirang ki khangba din zo ina yang property khangba la nang ji ki property la gira kyuno kyu la gira ta nang ji ki din zo ina yang khirang ki property din zo yang khirang ki lakpa ni shod ju gi res ra so nang ji ki tharing ki story din na khirang so ina yang mangbu changa sira re khirang ki da for example ara tung gyo nang mi nang lo la ta tu je kha la ara tung gyo ta din zo thong wa ina in khirang ki pala tang amala la me amala la me ra khang pa ni musik ra ta puda phu thanya mindu ta supani in sig ra ni kirang su ki de do thong ina ni kirang ki pala ta amala ta ani kirang ki ashang agu ane ta inde ina ani kirang ki 11 education bu shakire ani de chipo me kirang ki ngindam la ani thama thingi ta de do thong na ani thama ki inji yapo mere na za sakir la do ta ani kirang ya ina ya thama tungi ki dam la the mere swa kirang khang chagi la na kirang ki thuwas tuwa thama digi thuwa digi ani kirang la lungs la no kep ki res kirang di passive smoker shaki yore ra active smoker di thunge la active smoker che passive na kirang di negative kirang chaki res ra so kirang la no kya di na cha di manga yungdu kaps la kirang di side la the di keshimbu res an taga shini rang ani nganju ki public place so do ata nganju ki kyar ki train saja do tang train nang lo la tang ta din chu le na khande do shi na kyar ki train nang lo kirang ki thama thengyo nde thongo na kirang ki gumngap kya fine take kwai do tang ani nganju ki public place so la khanju khatu na inde tung chu ki mares ra kash la na mi la no kyap ki res ra so kirang chu ina ya in the lag we di kishimbu chaki re. So next is the effects of consuming alcohol. When you consume alcohol, it makes people dizzy. Dizzy la na faint charge to manju ki goi kore dosh to ani go koi khol kyo yes and then lazy. Consuming alcohol may causes disease like cancer, digestive problems, lungs cancer. The dinzo naza dinzo li res ra. Third one is under the influence of alcohol person become very angry and cruel. You can see these examples in our societies. When people become drunk they act very what to say angry and hero type ki do chi do akron khona ara tungna ngai ngaru chipu yi do to indi do tungi re ro changma chipu yungi mare yang max ta indi do maximum indi do chi ro ngar langa dani tore chala tore do ta ani ta khande pan yung si ra indi do kiran so ki thong yu ki re ra. So next one is people who drive vehicle after drinking alcohol can cause accidents. Kira ina yang highway cho ta indela to do kiran ki no drink and drive la ni kiran ki advertisement ina yang TV din zo nang la yang kiran ki thong yu ki re ra ara tung ni ani drink and drive china ani kiran ki sok la chipo mewa mission ba ki sok la nyinga chaki res ra ani inde khang la gore ara tung ni ani kiran ki moja tanga do ta inde che me res. It can destroy a marriage the ra da kirang gi ngoni ta chabilal ki ton example ta na marriage hina ya ini khata do ta an divorce cha do ta in japan yongi res. So overall nganji gi lana consuming alcohol di ya po mares ro ara tungwe di kirang chu thanda chung indu caps la ni kirang chu ina ya dinju knowledge nganji gi la tu caps la kirang chu ki lepa la shadi ki shimbu chaki res ro ni ma chi ki bu chaki re ni ma ni ki bu chaki re long term che tu chana kirangi control chima to na liver de so cha tu kapsla ani kirangi treatments delayed do chana kirang lamsang ani kirang thonggi restra. So digi kirang la chipo mewa kirangi tangbo factor khande la no ke du la ni kirangi family kirangi ta namushu la kirangi wife yung sigire husband yung sigire ro and kirangi pu din la psychological khande ki disturb cha the mental health ta khande disturb cha gi la ni inzo hakoe di kishimbu res ra. Thank you students, stay home and stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.